In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can leverage conditional formatting rules to help enforce more consistent formatting in what you're working on in Microsoft Excel. So here I have a basic table with a date and sales. And as I type in sales amounts like 25, 35, and 45, for example, it's automatically formatted as currency, even if I change the formatting to be number, for example, or general, because the conditional formatting rule automatically overrides the formatting right here. To show you how it's done, I'm going to go to sheet 2, and first you want to highlight the range that you want to apply the formatting to. I usually like to highlight a range that's larger than what I'm working on, so that way as I add more data, the formatting will just automatically be applied. Now here you're going to want to go to the Home tab, and then you're going to want to go over to the Styles grouping, where you're going to see an option called Conditional Formatting. We're going to click on Conditional Formatting, then click on New Role to create a new conditional formatting role. Now you want this role to be able to work on as many cells as possible, and to do that, we want to format cells that contain cell values not between, but not equal to a very specific number, like 0.00000015. So that way, this conditional formatting rule will apply to every cell that's not equal to this very specific number, which should be all of my cells. Now, I'm going to click on Format, and then here's where the magic happens, where I can adjust the number formatting to be a format that will override whatever I have set up in the Home tab right here. So I'm going to click on number or currency in this example. I can select different currency formattings if I want to. I can choose the decimal places. So in this example, we have 0 because I like 0, but depending on what you're working on, you might have more currency formats or more decimal places. And I can also adjust the symbol right here to be whatever currency I'm working at right now. I'm in the US and just click on dollars. Note, you can have this same kind of trick applied to any formatting, so you can have it be accounting, date, time, scientific text, special, custom, you name it. You can have this trick applied to be any formatting rule that you want, but I'm going to use currency just in this example. Click OK. OK. And then now, even if this is numbers set it right here, if I type in a number right here, it's going to automatically be formatted as currency because the conditional formatting rule overrides whatever I have right here. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful, and hopefully this helped create some more consistency in your spreadsheets. If you found this to be helpful, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.